Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Defender update KB2267602 not installing on Windows 11.
Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter Step 1. Press Win plus I, go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 2. Find Windows Update and click Run. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your PC. Fix 2. Manually install the update Step 1. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 2. Search for KB2267602. Step 3. Download the correct version for your system, x64 or x86, and install it. Fix 3. Check Windows Security Services. Step 1. Press Win plus R, type Services. MSC, press Enter. Step 2. Ensure Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Windows Defender Update Service are running. Step 3. If not, right-click Start.